Hello and welcome to West 11 Lane. My name is Leanne and I am an interior designer here in Portland, Maine, soon to be San Diego, California. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that we're going to be moving back out to Southern California in just about a month. And I'm so excited to get out there, but of course we have a lot to do before then, and that includes breaking down all of our rooms here in Portland. And I wanted to show you guys, before I take everything down and put everything in boxes, what my son's room looks like now that it's still put together, and I'm so excited to show you. So when you walk in on the left, you'll see Miles's "If you need me, I'll be in my teepee" sign, which I thought was so cute, but it was a little bit rustic, so I took some white craft paint and brightened it up a little bit, and I love how it turned out. And below it is his bear head, and again, that came in a little bit rustic looking, so I painted it matte black, and they're both from Hobby Lobby, and I think they're just such a cute addition to his room. Down here, my husband actually naturally always liked to read to Miles at nighttime in this little area, so I thought it would be perfect to add a book ledge, and I got it from Target. I think it was like $13. And all of the books were special gifts from people that we love. So here's some decorative pieces and also obviously some stuffed animal storage. And Miles loves his animals, and so I wanted to make sure that they had a home at the end of the day. And I love these baskets from World Market, and the hanging feature is actually from IKEA, which you probably recognize. It's been around for a while. This is his decorative shelves, and the cactus is from TJ Maxx. The planters are also from TJ Maxx, and I got the succulents from Michael's on clearance. This canoe is so adorable, and it's from Hobby Lobby. I just love it. These letters I got while I was pregnant from Michael's on clearance, and I just thought they were a perfect find. They actually have the natural wood, but then they're also framed out by white, so I just thought they were perfect. And these were a gift from a dear friend of ours that we used to work with together, and she sent this along when Miles was first born, and I just love them. They were perfect for display. I love this arrow from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if they still sell it, but it was definitely a good find. And these shelves are all from IKEA, the natural wood with the white top. Kind of tough to see because honestly there's a ton of sunlight coming in, so the video is reading pretty dark, but this is Miles's seating area, which honestly he loves to climb up on, even though we definitely don't like him to do that for safety reasons. He's a huge performer, and every time his grandparents come over he gets right up on the table and dances, so it is pretty funny and cute, but yeah, we definitely have to watch him. And then his Mega Blocks are from my aunt. And this corner is where we keep all of the toy storage and also books. I just think it's always so important to have a place for everything to go when you're finished at the end of the day, and this has provided plenty of extra storage for all of Miles's stuff, and it also allows us the opportunity to switch out his toys, so you know, it keeps things basically a lot more fresh than if he had everything out at the same time. So I really love this setup. The bookcase I got at Overstock, and the bins are from Target. So these are some of Miles's books, and this is my favorite section, the Goodnight Maine, Goodnight Massachusetts, and Goodnight San Diego books. Some of them are gifted to us, and I found the San Diego one in a bookstore near our home when we lived in Del Mar. And Goodnight Maine, although Ross didn't grow up in Maine, he pretty much just calls it home, so I thought that was perfect. And Goodnight Massachusetts, that's where I was born, and obviously San Diego is where Miles is born, so we have those all together, and I just think it's just super cute. This is Miles's feature wall, and it was kind of a disaster originally because I was trying to go for a geometric pattern, and I taped it all off and caulked it and started painting and realized pretty quickly that we bought the wrong caulking. So there's actually two kinds of caulking that they sell, and one is definitely not for paint, and then the other one is. So what was happening was the paint wasn't adhering to the caulking, and so it was kind of just giving like it was beading actually. So I tried to hit it with a hair dryer to get it to dry really fast, and it sort of worked, but it just wasn't a clean look. So I had to scrap the idea and start over from scratch, and I just painted the entire thing that blue, and I honestly prefer this. I love the way it turned out, and it's a perfect backdrop for this gallery art that I got from one of my favorite Etsy sellers, and I'll link her below. And here inside we have this cute little fox pillow that I got from Target. I just love it. And his little wolfie friend that my brother-in-law bought him. So adorable. And if you're wondering about the bedding, it's actually Cloud Island from Target. Over here is his changing station. We kept it pretty basic. I know a lot of people put you know, table lamp up on the dresser, and I think that's great, but this dresser is kind of a little bit small, and we really love our wipes warmer, especially in the winter. And it has a little nightlight on it anyway, so it kind of just, you know, acted as double duty. And I have his custom mile sign that I had made by a shop on Etsy, and I'll link that down below. And yeah, talk about just beautiful work and amazing service. And same thing with this banner. It's super cute. I think it was maybe under $10. I don't even know. It was super affordable and just had all the colors that I wanted. I'm pretty much known for blues, grays, and basically that's it. Sometimes green. So I definitely this time wanted to pull in some orange just to balance it out, and I just love how it turned out together. Well, Miles has always been pretty big. He was born almost 9 pounds, so I just got the extra long changing pad, and it's been great for him to grow into. And then the cover, I will show you, is also from Cloud Island, and it's got the arrows, so it's a perfect match. And the dresser is from All Modern. Here I just have a basket. I just think, you know, a basket next to a dresser is always useful, especially for just random toys or things to pick up. Here we actually put all of his winter hats and his mittens, so it's a great catch-all, and especially when we take them outside, it's just easy to know exactly where those things are because they can get lost really easily. Behind the door, I installed this little coat rack, and it's super cute. It's kind of in the shape of a tree, if you can see it. That's what it looks like, and it's from IKEA. Again, really easy to put together, really affordable, and we just put his little jackets there for when he wants to go outside. So, love it. And you guys, I never talked about the rug. So this rug, I was obsessing over this for, I don't know, like 5 weeks or something, and it was, you know, for a smaller accent rug, it was over $100, so I was kind of like, I don't know if I want to get it. But oh my gosh, just bringing in a small accent rug in a nursery or a kid's room just makes all of the difference, and it just injects so much personality, and it's just literally just a game changer. So love the rug, definitely taking it with us back to San Diego. And yeah, that's Miles's room. I hope you loved it. And like I said, I'll link as much of this as I can down below so that you can shop the look, and we'll talk with you soon.